What's up, guys? Your boy the guy, and I'm back here again with another video. Today's video, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. We hit 500 subs, baby. On our way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. I just want to say thank you. I'm gonna keep uploading content, and I see that you guys are liking certain content, and I'm learning what kind of content to make more and more. And yeah, so I'm about to go bring the car in. We have an install video to make today. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes. So this video should altogether be like 10 minutes install video or something like that. And this is what we're gonna be installing. We're gonna be installing the Agencypower hood latch. You know, it's just quick install. It's aluminum and feels pretty solid compared to the plastic one in the car already. So I think this is pretty good. So I'm gonna go get the car, bring it in, and we're gonna start the video. All right, boys. So I'm gonna be doing two things today. I'm gonna be taking my my dive planes off my front splitter, and I'm also gonna be doing the hood latch. So first, I'm gonna do the hood latch. We're gonna first pop the hood open. So as you can see, the yellow tab thing right there is what we're gonna be changing out. There's only 3 things you really have to do. One, you have to unplug this, and you have to take these bolts out, and then push the thing to come out, and you can change it. Easy and simple. I just wanted to keep the engine bay dressed up and stuff like that. That's why I'm changing this thing. And later, I'm gonna be changing that and that to make it match and look good. You know what I'm saying? So first, we're gonna be changing this, and then we're gonna be doing the dive planes I'm talking about. So first thing, I'm gonna go step by step so you guys know what I'm doing. All right, boys. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be taking the connector itself out. So first thing I always do when I'm doing this is I pop this out. All you do is just lift it up. See, you lift it up. You're gonna push this all the way here, come this way, and lift it, and the hood latches out. All right, boys, so I was able to get this out. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to get it out. It has these plastic tabs on it, and all you have to do is go underneath it. Like I said, you take these out and you go underneath it. I use a screw. I use what I did to get it out. So now we have to take this whole yellow assembly off, and it has the same kind of mechanism right here. You have to push it in, and then you pull it, and it will come out. And then it has a spring in it too, because look. You're gonna have to reinstall the springs and everything back in it, and you have to look at how the position of this and how it's sitting to reinstall it and make sure everything is working. So I'm gonna go right in it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right, boys. So I messed with this a couple times. I couldn't get it out, so I had to just break these little thing in here. You're gonna take it out. There's gonna be a spring in here. We don't need nothing from here anymore, so I didn't really care if I broke it or not. But now we're gonna grab the Agencypower one that came in the box, and we're gonna throw it on here. So it's gonna go. Okay, so let me explain this little thing real quick for you guys, just in case somebody can't do it. All right, so there's a spring. Okay, there's a spring. Can you guys see the spring? There's a spring that comes with it. So what happens is that the spring is what's gonna hold it in place, and I believe the spring, wow, I just took this off and I can't remember how it went. So I believe the spring, I'm not sure if it holds it like this. Just give me a second, I'll figure it out. Okay, so there's no way of messing this up, all right? There's no way of messing this up. So there's a spring, there's the aftermarket one going in. comparing that to the stock one, obviously this is aluminum and this is plastic and different kinds of quality and stuff like that. And I felt like over time this was just gonna get weak and start breaking, and I wanted to get something solid and something that's gonna stay in place, you know. And you hear it when you drop it, it's not gonna break or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the spring works. So the long part of the spring, which is right here, is gonna go inside. Boom. See that? And then the short part of the spring is gonna go ahead and stay in the low. It's gonna, you're gonna line it right here. So I'm gonna go to the bottom first. I think that would be a smart way. So you put it through and you just twist it and it'll just fall off. But anyways, it feels pretty solid. It's metal and I think it looks good. It's gonna look really good sitting right there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, look, it matches everything there. I just didn't like that it was mad yellow and it was just sitting here. Putting the black one there and having these black panels and stuff makes it perfecto. So there's the install, it's done. All you gotta do now is just connect this. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna put it on yet because I dropped the screwdriver in there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it right there. You're gonna sit this there. You're gonna sit this there like that. And then you're gonna put your spring in, and boom. It feels really solid too when it's like that. Wow, it has a lot more resistance than the plastic one. Wow, it feels pretty solid. I like that. So yeah, there we go. It's installed and it's ready to go back in and make it look good. And you guys are welcome for the install video. All right, we're gonna test it out and we're gonna see how it works and it operates. So let's see. Let me make sure this is connected right and okay. So I'm not gonna shut the hood because I want to test it out. So boom. Wow. It feels really solid. It makes a difference. Like wow. It feels like a real thing. It's really solid. I mean, if you're gonna do this install, just do it, man. Like it's only $40 and it's really just not gonna make a big difference, but it feels solid. I liked it. I mean, I like it. And yeah, we're going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you ever watch my video, me doing the Boomba install too, make sure you go check it out. And I'll catch you guys in a minute.